Hello everyone, welcome to polengdiyph, and this is going to be my first ever video or first ever bridge tutorial about Excel. As you can see to my title, I'm gonna teach you how to use VLOOKUP function using formula or using macro. So without further ado, let's now begin. Let's now focus first on VLOOKUP formula. So as you can see here, may table reference na akong ginawa dito. Then I have also here the drop-down list for gadget items. Then para sa mga beginners, kung paano nga ba gumawa ng drop-down. So i-place nyo lang kung saan nyo gusto ilagay yung drop-down nyo. Then go to data, tab, choose data validation. Then, choose nyo lang list. Then, kunin nyo yung source data kung ano yung drop-down list nyo. Then, go back. Then, click OK. There you go. As you can see here, meron na kayong drop-down in specific cell location. So, let's go back to VLOOKUP formula. So, ano nga ba yung formula for VLOOKUP? Equals VLOOKUP. Open parenthesis here. Then as you can see, meron nang lumabas na guides kung anong data yung kailangan natin for this formula. So lookup value natin is rlist. Then table array natin is the table reference. So pwede nyo naman i-drag. One of the best practices ng mga professionals when using VLOOKUP is na-drag lang nila yung table nila. It's dynamic kasi pwede pa kayo maglagay ng data dito. Then, column index number is from left to right, yung pag-count ng column index number. Within lang yun sa ano nyo dapat sa table nyo. So, from left to right is 1 and 2. So, since kailangan nating makuha is the price amount, ang second yung price amount na column. So, ito ilalagay natin. Then, tama lang ulit, false. As you can see here, may dalawang items na lumabas dito for range lookup. True approximate match and false exact match. True approximate match, siguro I'll make another video or tutorial for this specific range lookup for you guys to understand paano nga ba ginagamit yung range lookup na to. So, for now, kunin muna natin is, since kailangan talaga natin exact match of this price amount, so, need natin ilagay is false. Then, once you hit enter, choose lang tayo ng item dito. Then, as you can see, meron ng data na nag-show up once we choose the item and look up niya na yung price amount. So, kahit anong piliin nyo dyan is mag-show up yung equivalent price amount niya. So, VLOOKUP is for vertical lookup or per column yung kailangan nyo may lookup. The best way na gamitin nyo is VLOOKUP. So, that's all for VLOOKUP formula. Let's move on to VLOOKUP using VBA codes or using macro. So let's now focus and discuss more about how to automate the VLOOKUP function using VBA codes and using macro. So first here, kanina nyo pa nakikita, meron akong button na ginawa dito. And it's came from the developer tab. So mostly hindi lumalabas ng developer tab nyo. Kailangan nyo palabasin siya. Right click lang kayo sa space here. Or yeah, any space here sa ribbon na to. Then right click, customize ribbon. Here makikita nyo, minsan naka-untick tong developer tab and it's hidden. So for you to unhide it is to check it. So, click OK lang. Then, mag-show up na yan dyan. So, then, again, paano ba mag-create pala ng button here is, choose lang kayo dito sa tools dito. Click nyo lang insert, pili lang kayo which ang button yung gagamitin nyo or which tools yung gagamitin nyo for your automation. Then, let's go back. Since naka-design mode na siya, lagi nyong i-click to bago nyo i-edit to kasi hindi siya ma-edit once you right-click tong button. So, right-click lang. As you can see here, meron ditong properties kung saan pwede nyo i-change or modify yung button nyo. Example is the name. Pwede nyo siyang i-change yan. Then, right-click again. And let's see on how to create a automation using codes here. So, let me do my thing first here. So you can see here, nag-dimension ako ng SH kasi gusto ko itong specific set of letters lang to yung ilalagay natin sa formula kasi kapag itong mismong name yung ilalagay natin, yung nandito, copy nyo lang. Kapag itong buong name kasi ilalagay natin, masyado siyang mahaba for the formula. So let's now proceed again. So you can see, kukuhanin ko is the location of dapat dito mapupunta yung data once we click the button based din sa gadget item na pipiliin natin. So G4 siya. Then this is the actual formula or codes for VLOOKUP in this macro. So worksheet function VLOOKUP. So as you can see here, ito na yung start ng formula natin or coding natin for VLOOKUP. So, meron tayong argument 1. Since yung argument natin, based dun sa formula is the lookup value. So, yung lookup value natin is the list. So, G3 siya. Tignan nyo lang dito kasi may kita nyo rin yung location dito sa part na to. So, G3. Sorry, kailangan pala natin i-call yung sheet name natin. Sheet.range. And then argument to natin is yung table array natin, which is our table. So, call lang din natin yung same sheet. Then, mas maganda kunin na lang natin yung exact location ng table natin since ito yun. Itong buong to. So, from here to here, C2 to D9, C2 to D9. So, C2 to D9. Then, our next argument natin, which is the third, is the column index number. So, within lang dun sa sa table nyo, count lang kayo from left to right, 1 and 2. Yun na. Since yung kailangan din natin i-lookup is the price amount. So, yung pang second column index number kailangan natin. So, kulang, then false, which is equivalent to exact match. So, hit enter. As you can see, ito na yung pinaka full codes for VLOOKUP. So, save lang natin. Let's try and run this code. So, again, unclick nyo lang tong sign mode para hindi na siya mag-editing mode. So, click yung button, then there you go. As you can see, nag-lookup na based din sa gadget name na nilagay natin. There. Then, ginagandaan nitong VLOOKUP function natin using VB codes or using macro is kahit i-delete nyo yung data here, walang ma-apekto kung formula because it's automated. So, click nyo lang ulit, then it will show up the price amount. So, that's all for VLOOKUP function using VB codes or using macro. Thank you guys for supporting this video and watching the whole entire video. I hope that I help you individually and professionally. And if you really want to learn more about macro, VB codes, formulas, or automation using Excel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. So, see you in a bit guys. Bye.